Today I'll be showing you how to make these tiny little candy cane ornaments, perfect for miniature trees like this one. I'll be using polymer clay to make them, and polymer clay is a kind of clay that becomes hard once you bake it in the oven. I'll also be teaching you how to make these adorable little candy cane earrings. Let's get started. For the first candy cane I'll be making, I'll be using the Christmas colors, white, green, and red. So what I'll do is I'll roll each of these into a little log, and then what I'll do is I'll join them together because I want all three colors to blend together. I have each one of them shaped like a log, so now what I'll do is I'll join the tops together like this. I'll just squeeze all three of them together and then just twist like this. And now what I'll do is I'll roll this out because I want the colors to kind of blend together. So I'll just keep rolling this a little bit. And then when this is as long as I want it, I'll cut it. So I have it the right length, and what I'll do is now I'll cut it in the middle so that I can make two little candy canes. Just cut this right in the middle, and then roll each one out again until the tops of them are the shape you want, like a little rounded top, and then the bottom a little flat. And then all you'll do is curve it over like this until you have a perfect little candy cane. Now that I have them the shape I want them, I'll just add a tiny little eye pin, and this is what an eye pin looks like. And I'll just slide it in the top, and I find these at the hobby store in little packets, and you can use them for keychains and things like that. And you can just slide it in, and actually you can keep this in when you're baking it. Slide it in so it sticks out the top like this. Do the same thing with the other one, and then I'll just show you how to make a few little different candy canes. For my second set of candy canes, I'll just be using white and red. And what I'll do is place one right on top of the other and squeeze it together and then just twist all the way around. The way you did the first time, but instead of blending the colors together this time, you'll actually be leaving it like that. So twist until you get all the way to the end, then gently press together. Same thing at the top, and then just simply curve it over like this. And then add your eye pin. And you have another candy cane. Slide your eye pin right through the long part of the candy cane, and there you go, you have another candy cane for your tree. This candy cane I'll be making white, black, and pink for the miniature tree in my daughter's room. So I'll squeeze the ends together like this and just twist them around each other like this. Just twist them and then roll this all out until the colors start blending together. You don't want them completely mixed together, but you want to be able to see all three colors. So just roll it until it's as long as you need it, and then you can start cutting it into pieces. So now that I have it the length I want it, I'll be cutting it into 3 pieces. And then each of these pieces, I'll just fix the ends of them, and then curve them over until each one looks like a candy cane. There you go. There's the first candy cane. Now that all 3 of my candy canes have been shaped, I'll just be adding an eye pin to each one. Same thing as before. Take your little eye pin and slide it down the back of your candy cane. Down the back length. Like this. Now if you don't have eye pins by some chance, you could always just leave your candy cane like this and bake it like this. Just make sure the opening is big enough for you to actually hang it on a branch of your tree. For your candy cane, you can blend as many colors as you like. Here I actually have 5 different colors, and all I'll do is the same exact thing as before. Just twist them together until you see all of the colors like this, and do the same thing you did before. Just roll them out and you start getting this beautiful look to it. And you can roll it as little or as much as you want. You can make any size candy cane you want. You can make big ones for big trees, or little ones like I'm making for those tiny miniature trees. And there you have it, 2 beautiful rainbow colored candy canes. All my candy canes have finished baking, and I have some that I have with the little eye pin in them and some that I just left without, so you can just hook them on the tree. The ones that have the little eye pin in them, I'm going to use these miniature hooks that I found at the store, and these were only $1, and I'm going to use these ones for the ones that have the eye pins in them. Now to get them ready for the tree, all I do is put through the little ornament hook and then close it, and there you go, it's ready to hang on my little miniature tree. Now I finished attaching the hooks to all my little candy canes except 2, And these two I'm leaving for something special, and since these are matching, I'm going to make these ones into earrings. Now to make my candy canes into earrings, all I need are these, and I'm just going to attach these to my little candy canes, and I'll have a pair of candy cane earrings. Now to make my candy canes into earrings, all I have to do is open this bottom part, and I just twisted it sideways with a pair of pliers, and then I'll slide in the eye pin of the candy cane, and then close this back up again, and just like that, I'll have a little candy cane earring. I'll do the same thing with the other side, and then I'll show you what the pair of earrings looks like. And there you have it, your very own pair of candy cane earrings, perfect for a present or to wear for the holidays. And if you want these to have a little shine, you can add this Sculpey gloss, which I also found at the hobby store. I finished decorating my little miniature tree with all the candy canes I made. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Have fun making your own candy canes. I'll be uploading a new video very soon. Thanks for watching!